Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send your photo as a snap. So let's say you just took a photo using your phone's camera. So I will just take the photo of my little bottle over here. Now let's say I want to send it as a snap. Now if I go through the normal way, like if I just scroll to the right and click on send and click on send to one of my friend over here. I will just send it to one of my friend to show you what it's going to look like. Then it's going to look just like this over here. It has not been sent as a snap. It has been sent as a photo which I took from my gallery. And the person will know, because if I send something like a snap, it's going to show me delivered. But as you guys can see, this is not delivered. So today I will teach you how to send a photo as a snap. So let me just go back to my Snapchat camera. So if I want to send like the photo which I just took as a snap, what I need to do is click on the search icon at the bottom right. Once I click on the search icon over here, it'll take me to this place. And on this place at the top where it says search, I want to click on search and then search for gallery upload like this, GALLERY space UPLOAD. Now once I search for gallery upload, a filter called gallery upload will appear. The first one, upload gallery, you can click on that. Once you do that, it's going to show you all the photos and videos which is available in your gallery. So I will choose this little picture of my bottle and then I will click on the photo icon at the bottom. Once I click on it, the picture will be taken. Now this time, if I click on send to and send it to my friend, it's going to be sent as a snap. So I'm going to send it to my friend over here to show you the proof that it's going to be sent as a snap. So I will just go to the snap. As you guys can see, this time the bottle picture has been sent with this option called delivered. So that's how you guys can send a photo as a snap on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys in my future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.